Hey guys, it's me Princess and welcome to the Door PB. Today we're gonna open the Sophia nails. Yay! And I'm so excited. So let's open them. And I need to say something to you guys. I have been following the Instagram of Kids Toy channels, and it's so exciting. Kids Toys channel is very good channel because they open many lots of toys like me. So this is what the nails. So I'm gonna open it. And I'm just gonna choose one. So I'm just gonna choose this row with clover of it. I'm just gonna use this row. So I'm ready. So getting it. This is the first, and you cannot put some glue because they have a glue. So you're gonna just do is to just press that into your finger and it sticks. See, look at that. See, it sticks. So you have your perfect nail. So I'm doing this all the way. I am. See, look at that. It's pretty cool. I'm getting you guys. It's pretty cool, huh? It's very pretty cool. Next is Clover. So the next nail is Clover. Yay, I love Clover. Because she's so very good. So you have it. And the last but not the least is my baby nail. See, you're perfect. And you can put that to your other hands. So if you want to do your nail like this, you can buy it because I got this on SM. I got this on Robinson in Toy R Us. So that's why I get this, and it's just $4. $4 with the glue. $4. So bye guys, see you next time on my second video, and stay tuned for the Door PB, and please subscribe this video so I can play you a lot more videos. Bye! Bye!